we're outside right now, and Dave wanted to give us a quick eyeball on the cover system.
Yeah, Rob, these covers we order from the factory. I've been doing this 22 years. Not a lot of companies have great covers. They usually rely on local canvas shops to build snap-on covers, as we do custom canvas for people. But for a very good price, this cover is available. We do order it with most of our boats. It's called a ratchet system cover. It's not new to the industry, but what this allows you to do is simply cinch the belt straps up, pull it over the corners, and adjust the tension as required. This cover in the driveway 3 seasons is going to ensure that the boat absolutely gets no water in it. There is a support pull system, but what we find is with the pitch of the windshield, it's quite often you don't even need to crawl under there and put those poles in. It has straps that tie down to the trailer for your higher tension and highway use. Again, the drawstring pulls tight. They also do come with an extra baggage here to allow for a trolling motor. So that's important to a guy who puts a trolling motor on and doesn't want to take it off every time. There is a pouch available that allows that option to be taken on and off.
That makes total sense. You know, that's great. And this is a pretty heavy material.
Yeah, it is. It's good custom canvas. And this cover, actually, there is a video available with it. It does allow you to use it while the boat is in the water because it does have the pockets. Most trailering covers aren't the nicest thing to use in the while the boat's in the water, but we do understand most people are not in the water, they are in the driveway, and when you're not using your boat, this is going to make it last forever.
That's great. Thanks, Dave.